Good morning. I'm currently stood here above Cat Bells, witnessing the most spectacular cloud inversion. And you're here because you want to know more about how to understand the weather so you can take more compelling landscape images, or maybe even just get out there and witness something as incredible as this.
Conditions like this really are such a spectacle to witness, and even more so to photograph. But it isn't just a case of heading out and hoping for the best, and it certainly doesn't always go to plan. Now, there are many tools and skills to understand in order to take quality images. Those such as cameras, lenses, settings, composition, lighting, etc. But putting all of that to one side, one of the key things that make your images stand out from the crowd and give them that wow factor is unique weather conditions. Whether it be different cloud formations, fire skies, rainbows, cloud inversions, hailstorms, fog or snow, just to name a few. Now, since the development of smartphones and internet-based software, there's been an abundance of live and forecast information out there at our disposal, and half the problem is knowing what to look at and how to understand what it's telling us. I'm always told, oh, weren't you lucky when I share an image with supposed once-in-a-decade weather conditions? But luck is a misconception. Luck is quite simply a product of opportunity and likelihood. Now, opportunity is born out of having the knowledge, understanding, or experience to know what to look for, and likelihood is the chance of the weather phenomena occurring at all, often being if the forecast was correct in the first place. I've spent many years walking the hills and taking landscape images, and just as many trying to understand the weather. So I want to share the tips and tricks I've learned along the way so that you are armed with the knowledge to get out there and witness them for yourself. Now, the weather is obviously very complex, and there are people that spend their entire working lives dedicated to the research and understanding of even just small parts of it. And we're lucky that the weather services do most of the hard work for us in providing us simplified representations of data. Now, this course is intended to give you a basic introduction to the formation of our weather in order for you to understand the more specific weather phenomena we want to witness, how they each form, including what weather patterns to look out for, and how to use the weather information at your disposal to increase your chances of witnessing them. There is also local, regional, and topographical considerations, which I will give examples of throughout this course. And one final thing to remember before we get going is that the weather forecast can be wrong. And also, some of these local and topographical sensitivities can make some phenomena even rarer, so you must allow for trial and error. And be patient. You might not get it on your first go, but with the knowledge you are about to learn, you will significantly increase your chances.